Hey y'all, it's Britt Latrice and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. So what I have for you guys today is a fun little bag tag. She's not a new one, but always a fun one that I typically watch, and discuss 5 bags that I would choose if I had to start my luxury handbag collection all over again. Oh my God, guys, 5. 5 is hard. So guys, this is going to be a little bit of a tough one for me. Now that I've committed to this, I feel like it's gonna be harder than I anticipated. And by no means are my choices in preferential order. But yeah, let's get started. So my first handbag would be the Bottega Jodie. I partially wanna say the Hop, but I think I would choose the Jodie because I just already know it's tried and true. I honestly would take it in any size at this point because I know how good and much of a workhorse that bag is. But guys, the leather, the quality, the craftsmanship, it is bar none. And it is one of my favorite handbags. I cannot describe this enough. I cannot emphasize this enough. When I am back on the market for handbags again, which is going to be very soon, I'm going to get another Bottega. That's like the first choice. There's not even a competition. So definitely Bottega, a Bottega bag. But I'm going to have to choose for safety the Bottega Jodie, even though my ambitious side wants to choose the Hop. So that would be my first bag. My second bag would be the Nano Speedy. Of all my Louis Vuitton bags, I just really feel like that one's the most classic. And no, I'm not team choose a classic bag, but if I think of something from the Louis collection that is timeless, it will always, I won't say that it's gonna always be there, but they've made different variations. It is small, but it is mighty. It gives me the Speedy vibes. And as a fan of Audrey Hepburn, who's like known for her love for the Speedy, I just feel like that bag of all the bags, and I love all my LV, y'all know I'm an LV girl over here, I would have to choose that bag because I think too that bag, I saw that bag a lot growing up, like the mini HL, and I always wanted one. So that one was a huge dream come true. Even though there were more around that I had ultimately got first, if I had to choose one because of how impressionable it's been, how classic it is, and how much I actually love it, just look-wise and functionality-wise for me, I would say that's my girl. That one is definitely my girl. Number 3, a Dior Saddle bag. Guys, this bag is not functional whatsoever, and I don't practically wear it enough, but there's just something that's so unique about that one. I just love the saddle, but what I would do is I would trade the new all leather one that I have for a vintage one. I actually would want both, but again, just 5. I would really do my best to get that pony hair saddle. Is pony hair convenient? No. Is it practical? No. But she's a moment. She's a statement. And whenever I see those fun, crazy saddles, I start getting excited. Like, I just love to see them. They are just the coolest thing. They're all made so differently and so reflective of the creative director's style and influence too. Like, a saddle is just it. Like, there's just something so striking, so unique, so much personality about that handbag. And like, I don't want to wear what everybody likes and loves. I want to wear something that I feel like is reflective of me and my personality. And it's funny that I feel that way about Dior, but I can't see myself with anything else. Like, there's other things through the years that I've liked, but do we really see me with, oh my God, do we really see me with the Lady Dior? Yes, absolutely. A cool one, a unique one. But when I think of Dior and I think of a bag, I think of a saddle. Point blank, period. Number 4 would be the Loewe Puzzle bag. I just feel like that would be such a great weekend warrior, everyday one that you don't have to think that much about. I would get the larger size too. Like, I just, like, haul it over. We're going, I don't know where we're going. We're just going, we're going to lunch, we're going to brunch. I just feel like every time I've seen her, I love it more and more. I've seen so many people around New York wear it, and she she looks like she delivers in the way that I need her to deliver. I would want the version that had feet because I know I would wear her enough where she would need feet. But that would be such a great get, especially in a nice, like, I don't know, just like an olive, a maroon. Of course, the camel is a beautiful classic. Just a really beautiful, like, rich neutral in that for me would be like amazing. I would love it. I would absolutely love it. Oh my God, guys. I feel like that brings us to number 5. Ooh. I don't want to choose. I don't want to choose, guys. This is hard. I think I would have to get a Birkin or a Kelly. And if I had to choose between a Birkin and a Kelly, I don't think I would just choose a Birkin. I just love a Birkin. And it's funny because I'm actually a mini Kelly person, but I think if I had to just choose again to round out the collection, I would choose a Birkin. You gotta do it for the plot. The Birkins are just, ooh. And right now, I am loving the candy colored fun ones. I don't think that's where I would ultimately end up, but like last time I was out here, I saw someone with like a Barbie pink one and I was like, I need to pay these colors attention. Like I know everybody wants a neutral, but I need to pay these colors attention. But if I'm gonna be real true to myself, I would get it in a really beautiful shade of brown. There's so many great shades of brown that I think would really be my thing. I think it would already go with the color palette that I have. So like a beautiful vintage brown Birkin. I think that's what I would do. But would I? Would I like a Birkin? I don't know. It's tough. It is tough. I feel like there's a more fun handbag out there, but that's like the one that's come to mind. I know it wouldn't be a Chanel Classic Flap though. I think I was between the Chanel Classic Flap or a Birkin, and it would not be a Chanel Classic Flap. I have one. I don't want to say less than impressed, but they're okay. They're okay. I know I wanted one. I will never get rid of mine, but they're okay. It's time to graduate to a Birkin because again, this is me knowing what I know now, having to start over. We're gonna go with that new, and that new would be a Birkin. But people don't carry theirs that much. I think maybe, wait, can I retract? I think I would just have to get a mini Kelly. But I don't know if that would be enough. I would want a vintage one though, like because it's a little bit bigger. Maybe a vintage mini Kelly. Let's do that. Let's do that. Because a Birkin, I see the ones I like all the time, but it has to be something I would love and cherish and carry too. And I feel like I would love the Birkin and it would be the moment, but I would carry my mini Kelly. That one's hard because I really don't know yet, but that is absolutely what I would do. And again, it more has to do with the craftsmanship, its timelessness, and the fact that I'm starting to see them done a lot more fun. Like I'm starting to see the cool girls that I like, just like bring them out and they have the best colors. Like it's just so good. So those are the 5 that I would choose. Guys, let me know what you would choose. What are your top 5? Just give it to me, give it to me. Let me know, let me know. Okay guys, that was everything. I feel like that feels very risky. I don't even know what I just did. I feel like I'm like, oh my God, did I choose right? Did I choose wrong? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I don't know. But you know what? Those are my choices and I'm just gonna stick with them. So guys, let me know what you would choose. It's always just like a fun little game of Lux. You know Lux, we can't take it too seriously. All right, y'all, that is everything that I have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications each time that I upload. I'll chat with you later. Bye.